Today, screens have become one of the main communication channels in modern spaces, replacing static print with dynamic, real-time messaging. In this environment, the digital poster stands out as a focused format designed specifically for screens, combining the clarity of traditional posters with the flexibility of digital media. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriel and welcome back to the Look Digital Signage channel, your go-to place for everything screen related. In today's video, we're diving into digital posters, what they are, why they matter, the tools behind them, the trends shaping them, and how you can create one yourself step by step. And trust me, by the end of this, you will never look at a simple poster the same way again. But first, as always, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss more content like this. Good, let's start with the basics. So what exactly is a digital poster? In simple terms, it's a dynamic visual display designed for screens instead of paper. Unlike traditional posters that are printed and fixed in their place, digital posters can be updated instantly, animated, scheduled, and even personalized depending on the audience or time of the day. They are part of a broader digital signage world, but here's the key difference. While digital signage often includes complex scenarios, menus, dashboards, or interactive systems, digital posters are usually focused, visual-first messages. It's signage stripped down to its most powerful form. And the benefits? There are a lot. First, flexibility. You can change content in seconds without reprinting anything. Second, cost efficiency over time. No printing, no shipping, no waste. Third, engagement. Motion, color, and timing make people actually look at your content instead of ignoring it like they do with static posters. And finally, scalability. You can run one design across one screen or 1,000 screens globally. Now let's talk types of digital posters. And here they can be understood from two perspectives. First, by purpose. They can be promotional in retail, informational for schedules and announcements, branding focused for storytelling, or event-based for concerts, conferences, and launches. Each serves a different communication goal but relies on the same principle: fast, clear visual impact. Second, by content behavior. Static digital posters display fixed visuals similar to print. Dynamic posters use motion or timed changes to add movement and emphasis. And interactive posters respond to user input such as touch, motion, or QR engagement, turning viewers into participants. Based on the types described above, it is easy to conclude that digital posters are widely used in retail, hospitality, education, healthcare, transportation, corporate environments, and many other industries. Now the fun part. How do you actually create one? Firstly, define your goal. Are you promoting a product, welcoming visitors, announcing an event? Your goal shapes everything else. Then choose the right screen. A high brightness display in a storefront is very different from a hallway screen in the office. Size, type, and placement all matter more than most beginners think. For example, screen orientation actually matters a lot here, because most digital posters are built for portrait setups. The catch is that not every screen can even handle portrait mode at the system level. Your home TV cannot do that. In the next step, you should design your poster. You can use tools like Canva or Poster My Wall, or even AI-assisted design platforms. This will cost you next to nothing, sometimes literally nothing, and in return, you still get a fully working layout. Along with it, many digital signage systems also provide ready-made templates and free built-in design tools, so you're not starting from scratch. And this is where things get interesting. Let's take Look Digital Signage as an example and break down how you can create your own digital posters and manage them remotely using just a single platform. Simply register in the system and build your design using hundreds of industry-specific templates. They are fully customizable using a rich set of design tools, and in this case, you are really unlimited by your goals and imagination. Then you need to connect your display. Depending on your setup, you can install the Look app directly on your screen or use an external media player. The platform supports a wide range of operating systems like Android, Google TV, Windows, Linux, Raspberry Pi, Fire OS, Amazon Signage, Tizen, and WebOS. So in practice, your options are almost unlimited. Once the app is running, you'll get a simple 6-digit code. Enter this into the Look Content Manager, and just like that, your screen is connected. From there, you can publish your digital poster instantly, build playlists if you have multiple designs, or even schedule content to appear at specific times. It gives you full control without the usual complexity. And the best part is you can try Look DS for free for 14 days with full access to all features, no commitment needed. So you can actually test how your digital posters perform in real environments before making any decisions. So here's the big takeaway. Digital posters aren't just screens with images. They're a blend of design, timing, psychology, and technology. When done right, they don't just show content, they communicate, persuade, and sometimes even entertain. Well, if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments where you think digital posters are having the biggest impact right now, or where you would like to see them used more. That's all for today. This was Gabriel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.